Good morning. Have a nice day, dear students. Today we will see some important point to remember in countable and uncountable noun. The first point, we use a and an before a countable noun. Sometimes some. When we are using a countable noun, before that word we can use a or an. Sometimes in some of the cases we are writing the some with the countable noun. Now come to second point. Before an uncountable noun, we generally use some or little. When we are saying about the uncountable noun, then we are using a some or little. We may also use numerical identifiers before some uncountable noun. Means, like example, you can see a ton of plastic. That ton is a numerical identifier in uncountable noun. Before uncountable noun, we are using a ton of plastic. Ton is a numerical, we can able to identify ton, but the plastic we cannot able to count the plastic. Now come to the second example. Two oxygen cylinder. Two, we can able to identify two cylinders are there, but the oxygen we cannot able to count because it is a air. So it's before uncountable noun we are using a numerical identifiers. Now we will go further. The way in which a noun is used can change its meaning and therefore its class from uncountable to countable. Means if the one word is given, that word can be used in a countable noun also and uncountable noun, but they changes their meanings. How? We will see in example. The sun is the source of all light on earth. Means the sun is the giving a light to whole earth. Light. In this sentence, light is a uncountable noun because it is referring to light in general way. It is to all. So it is a uncountable noun. Now go to the next example. I have switched off all the lights. Now in this we are speaking about the particular things like lights which we are burning in the home, that we are speaking about that lights. So this lights is a countable noun. In this sentence, light doesn't mean that light referred to bulbs. It means to bulb. It doesn't mean that the sunlight. So notice that light has a plural ending. When we are writing in a countable noun, that comes with the s. I hope this point is clear to you. Now we will go further and we will see the topic, make a noun from other parts of a speech. In this you have to make a noun from other parts of a speech. First we will see making noun from verbs. How you can able to make a noun from verbs? Just see. Use a suffix such as ure, tion, ing, sion, ment, ance can be added to a word to change them into nouns. By this, using this suffix, we can able to change a verb into a nouns. Now come to the second one. Just see example first. Example like fail. Fail is a verb. Failure is a noun. What suffix we have added here? ure. We have added the ure. Now come to the second one example, admit. That is a verb. Admission is a noun. What we have added here? S-I-O-N we have added. Now come to the second one, making nouns from adjective. How we are making a noun? We are making noun from adjective. We will see here using a suffix such as ne, double s, ance, y, I, ty, ence, th can be added to the adjective to change them into noun. Now come to example. You can see here happy is a adjective, and how we have changed into noun by adding the ne double s. It becomes happiness. Now come to second example, able. Able is a adjective. How we have changed into noun? How we have changed by adding the ity, ability. Now what is the third form? Third form, we are changing common noun to abstract noun. In this, you see the example, child is a common noun and childhood is an abstract noun. Now come to the second example, patient. Patient is a common noun and abstract noun is a patience. I hope these three forms you have understood, my dear students. Your homework is you have to write the examples of each what I have explained you. I will send you the questions in a PDF. Please do it in a note copy of grammar. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.